How to fix Windows 11 search bar not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further delay, let's dive right into the video. First, you can easily use the run command. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard and the run window will appear on your keyboard where you have to type the command. So let me show you the command. You simply need to type in this command on this run window. Copy it and delete this one. Using Ctrl V, paste it and click on OK button. And once you have done that, this will restart the text input service and your search bar should work. The next step you can follow is simply you can restart Windows Explorer. For that, right click on the Start button. Now select Task Manager. Alternatively, you can easily press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and choose Task Manager. In Task Manager, you can locate Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. And once you have located it, you can easily right-click on Windows Explorer and then select the Restart button. This will refresh Windows Explorer and potentially fix the issue. So these are the two methods which help you to fix the search bar problems in Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.